Let's make our own pancake. Our own pancake. Yeah, start with dry ingredients like flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and we will sniff it. Sniff it. So, para maging makina siya at walang matirang buo-buo. Then, after that, see? So good. Char. Then we'll add our liquid ingredients like milk, melted butter, and 1 egg. Then if you have vanilla, you can add vanilla for some seasoning. Then maglagay tayo ng oil sa frying pan. And that's it, almost done. Then 1, 2, 3, we will flip it. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! That's it. Yeah, and that is the result. We will vanilla, butter, or sugar, and that's it. Welcome to our cravings.